Do you even know how lucky you are that God gave you birth in the form of a human? Do you even realize that? How rare is that? I don't think so that you have realized that, because if you have realized that thing, that it is really, really rare to be a human, because it's a one time opportunity in a life. I mean, it takes millions of years. Your soul suffers through so much in order to become a human. Your soul has got a human body, and you are not utilizing your human body the right way. You are every day in your bed saying that I don't want this thing for me. I am so ungrateful for that. You are not even grateful for anything, bro. You are in your bed saying that I don't want to live. I am so unlucky. I want this thing in my life, but I cannot afford it. Why can't you afford it? Why can't you afford it? Because you don't have the money, right? So, how can you earn money? Just answer these few questions. If you have any problem in this life, in your life, just answer this. Just question yourself that, okay, if I have this problem, how do I solve this problem? Your life will become 60 to 70% easier. Trust me. And whenever you have any problems in your life, any problem in your life, just take a pen and paper and write all the problems you have in your life. Just write them down. And I heard this line um, which said that once a problem written is 50% solved. Just solved, 50% solved. Now, you have all your problems in a piece of a paper, right? You have all your problems in a paper in front of you. Now you can find solution to those problems instead of crying and saying to God and blaming God, blaming the universe that it's your fault that I did not got this thing, that it's your fault that you did not give me this thing. Maybe it wasn't the right timing to give you that thing, that's why you haven't gotten that thing. Just use your brain sometimes. Why do you always blame God or universe that why haven't I got this thing? I want this thing so bad. If you wanted that thing so bad, you would have done something to get it. You would have done something, right? You're not even putting any efforts to get that thing, and you are just blaming God and universe that, please God, give me this thing. Why are you not giving me this thing? You always do this to me. I am so unlucky. If you will continue to say all these things to yourself, you will remain unlucky. Because there are two types of emotions, okay? There are high vibe emotions and low vibe emotions. High vibe emotions are, happy, jollyful, joyful, and all those, positive emotions that make you feel really positive about yourself, that make you feel really good about yourself. But then there are low vibe emotions, which most of you are vibrating on. Yes, most of the people are vibrating on low vibe emotions, and those are sad, anger, fear, guilt. Why? Why are you vibrating on these low emotions? Why you can just choose to change your mentality? While you can choose to vibrate on different emotions? You can just choose to, you can just choose your reality. Yes, you can choose your reality. You can shift from this to this very fast, very quickly. But do you choose that? No, you don't choose that, because you don't even want that thing for yourself. You are just afraid that what if I have all that thing for myself, and now you're afraid that what if I became successful? You know, why aren't you successful right now? Why aren't you successful till now? Because you are afraid of being successful. Yes, many people are afraid of achieving their goals. That's why they haven't achieved their goals till now. That's the truth. You know what? I was sitting yesterday, okay, and I realized this thing. I was just sitting and thinking that I have really low subscribers. I have just 42 subscribers, and these are really low. And this is a really less number. I need to gain more subscribers. But then I asked myself, how can I gain more subscribers? I answered it by being consistent. Then I questioned myself again. Am I being consistent? I answered myself again. No, you're not being consistent. That's why you're not gaining any subscribers. But I also realized this thing that imagine some, your 42 subscribers. That means 42 people, 42 humans in front of you in a room. Isn't it a crazy number? Why do you think that this is such a low number? Because 42 people in a room with me. I mean, that's huge. That's crazy. 42 people actually supporting me in real life. They actually like my content so much that they subscribe to my channel. I should be grateful for that. And why am I crying that I only have 42 subscribers? Maybe I am just seeing the number and I'm not seeing the people behind them. One subscriber equals to one person. Why am I not seeing that? Why am I not realizing that? And the moment that I realized that I have so many subscribers, okay, I get to that place one day where I will have a silver button, where I will have a gold play button, but let's live in the moment. Right now, I have 42 subscribers, and right now, I'm learning to make content. I am learning to enhance my content every day. I will be consistent every day and I will gain followers, I will gain subscribers. That's how this thing works, right? I got the whole solution for me. My problem was low subscribers, but how I took it? I took it positively. I took it like 42 people in real life supporting me. Damn, that's a really great number, man. That's a huge number. Imagine you woke up in the morning and you have 42 messages from different people on your WhatsApp and each one of you is supporting you. How will you feel? Great. Obviously, you will feel great about yourself that you will thank God that thank you, God, that these people are supporting me. You should be grateful for it. And even if you are not grateful for it, then I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for you guys because if you're not grateful for this thing, then what are you even grateful for? Are you grateful for the food you have? Are you grateful for the water you are drinking? Are you grateful that you are living in a house? Are you grateful that in the winters you have a blanket? Are you grateful for that? You know, being grateful, the gratitude comes from within and it always starts from the smallest things. Just look around yourself and see the smallest things that even if you had a great sleep, just thank God for it. Thank you, God, that thank you so much that I had such a great sleep yesterday. And He will give you more of that. He will give you more peace. Just fake it till you make it. Even if you don't have that thing, just fake it. Fake it. Just be delusional. And those people who say that why you so delusional, you know being delusional is crazy. Okay, consider me crazy. Or even if you are delusional, then consider yourself as crazy. But you will be the one who will succeed, right? You will be the one who will face success, and they will be the one who will be trolling you on the Instagram, on YouTube, or wherever. Because the people who really troll you are the ones who are doing nothing with their life. Have you ever seen that most of the negative comments are from the fake IDs? And even if they're not from the fake IDs, these are from the people who are doing nothing with their lives. The people who are busy with their lives, the people who are actually succeeding in their life, actually doing something in their life, are not the ones who are commenting negatively on your post or on anything. They are not negative because they know that, yes, this person is making an effort to make their lives better. And why should I make that person feel bad about themselves? Because this is just the starting. I may be on chapter 1 of my life, but that person is on chapter number 40. or chapter number 20? Why should I compare my chapter number 1 to chapter number 40? Why? I mean, that person has struggled through a lot to reach that chapter, to reach that phase of their life. And I'm just starting. So why should I compare my life to that person? That person also must have been to the point where I am today, right? And if you people will just, if you will just continue to compare yourself with those people who are so much ahead of you, please think about it. Why are they succeeding in their life? Because they were consistent with whatever thing they wanted to achieve, and they believed in themselves that yes, they can achieve it. That's why they have succeeded, and not you. You can also succeed. It's never late. Okay, it's never late. You can start now. You can start today, right now, to do to make that thing happen. If you start now, I am really, really sure that you will succeed after 2 years or after 1 year or even after 6 months. Because it really takes dedication and consistency to be successful in your life. And the main thing in this video, what I was trying to tell you is just believe in yourself, and you can do and you can achieve anything in your life. Yes, you can achieve anything in your life if you will just be consistent and dedicated and believe in yourself. Just manifest these things in your life. Have you ever heard of, have you ever seen these successful people who always say in their interviews that how are they successful? The key to their success is that they used to visualize that they have already been through this, that they have already faced success. That's why they're successful right now. I mean, the point is they already manifested that thing. They already visualized that thing. And visualization is not enough for manifestation. You need to believe in yourself too. You need to align your behaviors with your visualization. And there are literally so many points. You can read so many books on manifestation, and it will clear your head up. It will clear your head. Read those books, gain knowledge. Just, don't just read your course books, your textbooks, your university books. No, just don't read only them. Okay, you can read them to pass your tests, to pass your exams, or for whatever reason you want to read them, but also read books on self development. So you can develop yourself. You can enhance your knowledge in that technological stuff and all. That's really good. Okay, that's really, really cool if you're really into technology. But you should also develop yourself. Don't you think that personal development is a necessary tool right now? It is a necessary tool right now. And last thing, believe in yourself. Do whatever you want to do. Because if you have that idea in your mind, execute it right now. Because universe put that idea into your mind for a reason, because he knows that you can actually do that. That's why he put it that idea into your mind. That's the only reason. Otherwise, he wouldn't ever do that. Okay? So trust yourself, trust universe, and believe in yourself. Okay? Bye.